Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you the assignment 1, and as you can see the demo here, actually there are 4 more buttons under this, but we cannot see these 4 buttons because they're inside another separate inner layout. And at the onCreate functions, I set this layout to set visibility to view gone. So at the beginning, we cannot see it, and I have the Boolean value to handle this state. And each time I click on the advanced button, the state will change, and the set visibility will set to view visible and to view gone. When for the rest of the button, basically they are sharing the same logic. They're using the same onClick functions. And each time I click on these buttons, it will go through the onClick functions and get the numbers or get the operators from the buttons and push it to the test view over there. And if it detects the button is the C, which means the clean buttons, it will just clean the test view for me and set the array list to the empty. And there's one more echo buttons here. I'm using the separate functions to handle the echoes button over there. And each time I click on the echoes, it will get the string from the test view and push this string to the calculator and do the calculations. And inside the calculator class, there's an array of characters inside the calculator class to store the elements from the expressions. And I'm using the minimum value of the integer as the arrow code. And there's the Boolean value state here. And this stage, basically, it just handle the clean functions for me. And each time I finish the calculations, there's no need for me to click on the C buttons. It will just determine I'm finished this calculation, and I can go for the next calculation directly. And here's the calculator functions. And at the beginning, it will check the size of the array list for me, and then I'm putting the whole logic inside the try and catch block. And I'm using the list iterator to handle the iterations. The hasNext functions will just determine is there any elements inside the array list or not. At the first iterations, it will remove 3 elements from the list and then do the calculations and return the results. And starting from the second iterations, it will remove 2 elements from the list and also do the calculations. If everything goes wrong right here, it will throw exception and catch the exception here and throw the arrows. And the main activities will get the result back and display the results based on the result is valid or not. If there's an error code, it will look like that. The main activities will display the arrow strings, not an operator. Set the test to the test view based on the expressions. And that's the basic logic of my assignment 1. Thanks for your time.